Hey everybody, it's Saturday morning. And I don't know about you, but for me, on a Saturday, if I have no plans, it's a no fuss with the hair day, no fuss with the makeup day. The only thing I put on is eye makeup. I want to tell you about emmiSKIN. I've been using it for several months now, and my skin is not perfect, as you can see with the no foundation. I have a lot of age spots, freckles, pores, and there's been a difference using emmiSKIN. It has brought my skin around to a more subtle look, more softer look, and I cannot explain the difference that I've experienced. Many of you know that I am 60. I will be 61 in August. And when I turned 50, I ran into an issue with my skin. I've always used skincare regimens, but I went from an oily combination skin to a more dry skin. And I tried so many different products and I just couldn't find that right fit. And I had product after product piling up in my makeup drawer. And when I found emmiSKIN, when I used it the very first time, I just could not believe the silkiness of it and how my skin just almost thrived from it. And I really hope that you will give emmiSKIN a chance, try it, and see what you think. Try it for yourself. What do you have to lose other than improved complexion, improved skin, and ageless benefits? Thank you guys. Have a great day.